Today I'm bringing you an unboxing and installation of my new food waste composter, the REENCLE, or as the company calls it, the Refresh Environment Recycle. Before I get into this video, I want to make it clear that this is not a sponsored video. I bought this with my own money after my own research. Alright, so let's get into it. So I've got here in this box my new food waste composter, and we're going to go ahead and get this thing opened up, right? So let me go ahead and get my cutting utensils out, my trusty scissors here. Boom, let's get rid of that. Then let's get this box open, right? Now, when I was researching this, as you know, there are a lot of other similar products out there on the market. But I decided to choose this one because this one, for me, is closer to the actual composting process. And it also had a greater capacity than the other products on the market. For instance, this one actually uses bacteria to help with the composting process. And it also didn't require that I subscribe for, get a subscription for filters or refill pods or anything of that nature. Okay? So now we've got the box open. Let's see what we've got. So we've got, as usual, we have our manual. We're going to have to get into that. And then it seems that we have some a quick user guide on how to use the product. Okay, first thing out the box. Let's see. Trying to get some of this foam out of here. Right off the top. Oh man, that was a little tight. But right up top here, seems I think this may be a filter. Let's see here. And this is the filter. And after watching some of the reviews, this actually goes in the back of the unit. And this is not something that you have to get a subscription to replace on a regular basis. It's usually good for the life of the product, which made me happy, which influenced my purchase for almost about the same amount as the rest of the other products that are on the market. For instance, I got this one for about $4.30 with their Black Friday deal, and all the rest of the products on the market had similar price points, but they also required that you sign up for a subscription service, which included filters and pods to help, I guess, with their proprietary culture. So this is the filter. Let's put this over to the side. Also going to get rid of this. Get out of here. Y'all know I don't like extra stuff in the video. So next up, we actually have the unit itself, the REENCLE unit itself. So bear with me. Let's try and get this out of the box. Get that out of here. All right. Now, let me pause for a moment. Okay, as you see, I had to adjust this setting so I could get a little better angle on pulling this thing out of the box. But while we're going through that, the quick user guide here actually tells you what all the acceptable food waste you can place in there, such as fruits, cheese, meat and fish, noodles, grains, cookies, bread, and cooked eggs. I actually have a bowl of that ready for once we get this thing fully set up. so you can actually see me set this thing up and make a full installation. Then it also gives you lists of food waste that causes slow decomposition and then completely unacceptable waste. I believe you can also access this list online, but there it is. And now we're to the moment of truth here. I'm trying to go ahead and get the unit out of the box. And there we go. We actually have it out of the box. Check that out. Nice, neat, clean little unit here. Almost the size of a small refrigerator. Okay, now I've got the composter out of the box and back onto this table so that everyone here can see it. We're going to open it up and see what's inside. So, right up top, we have the decomposing powder, which does not require a subscription service at all. Once you put this in one time, you don't have to re-add it. You can actually just take small amounts of your decomposed matter, place it back in there, and it will replenish the bacteria or the culture. So we're going to place this over to the side for now. Reaching back into it, we actually have the scoop. And that joker fell way down in here. All right, so we have a scoop. And they actually have a small little hook right here. Place it right on the side of the unit, as such, for storage. And there's also one on the back and on the other side where they have two handles. And then down inside of the unit, as you look, there are 3 heavy-duty paddles to stir your decomposing mixture. So let's put this over to the side as we get ready to prepare this for its first use. All right, so I'm about to plug this thing in. Then I'm gonna wrap this cord. Get that out of here. Get that out of here. There we go. Get that out of here. Then we're going to plug it in. And one thing I wasn't clear about, as I was unpacking this, there is already a filter on the back, and they provided an extra filter. One of the things, as I've said multiple times already in this video, is that I was happy that you don't have to go with a subscription service for this product to work well for you in the long run. The filters are lifelong, and you can constantly replenish the bacteria culture by just leaving a little bit of the composted material in the unit once you're ready to dump it out. Okay, as we prepare for this first installation, what needs to happen is we're going to place the decomposing powder in there, then fill the composter with about a gallon of water, and then we have to wait 24 hours. Okay, so here we are with our decomposing powder. Put this open. That top out of there. I'm going to go ahead and pour this in. Now, before I go ahead and pour the water in there, I want you to see what this looks like as it starts. Okay, so this is the decomposing powder that contains the bacteria culture. And once you place the water in here, then it activates it within 18 to 24 hours. Okay, now we've got the decomposing powder in there, and we're going to add our water. Trying to spread it a little bit evenly so that I don't make a mess, as I've already done. All right. So that's all of our water. Now, according to the instructions here, it says we have to wait 18 to 24 hours to get the activated microorganism. So we're gonna go ahead and shut that. And as you can tell, I just made a mess. That's my name. So after 24 hours, then we should have the activated microorganism. Then we can start placing our food waste into it. So till then, thank you for watching my video. Please like and subscribe. And as always, let's go and grow with me.